Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance with an exciting topic: 6 ways to multiply your savings with time. Whether you're just starting your savings journey or looking to optimize your existing strategies, this video is packed with valuable tips. So, let's jump right in. Way 1: Compound interest. First up, we have the financial magic trick known as compound interest. It's simple: the longer you leave your money invested, the more it grows. We'll explain how compound interest works and provide some examples to illustrate its power. Way 2: Diversify your investments. Next, we'll explore the importance of diversifying your investments. We'll discuss various investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, and explain how spreading your money across different assets can enhance your returns over time. Way 3: Automatic savings. Now, let's talk about the set and forget approach. Automatic savings mechanisms, like setting up regular transfers to your savings account or employer-sponsored retirement plans, can help you consistently grow your savings without even thinking about it. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4: Emergency fund. Segment 4 focuses on the importance of building an emergency fund. We'll discuss why having a safety net is crucial and how it can prevent you from dipping into your long-term savings during unexpected financial challenges. Way 5: Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is a vital aspect of multiplying your savings over time. We'll provide insights on retirement accounts, employer matches, and strategies to ensure your golden years are financially secure. Way 6: Avoiding debt. Our final segment is all about avoiding debt. High-interest debts can erode your savings over time, so we'll share tips on managing and reducing debt to keep your savings on track. And there you have it, folks, 6 ways to multiply your savings with time. By understanding the power of compound interest, diversifying your investments, automating your savings, building an emergency fund, planning for retirement, and avoiding debt, you can supercharge your financial future. Remember, the key is to start early and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.